Shiver only faces charges in the Bahamas. She's staring down, I think, a possible 60-year prison sentence if she's convicted. But could she face any sort of civil or criminal liability here in the United States at some point?
I'm only going to guess, just from prior cases, that contentious divorces almost always kind of bleed into the criminal world. There could be protective order issues. She doesn't comply with court orders in the civil world that says, you got to give the custody agreements, Friday at 9 p.m. or whatever. All these things can bleed. She doesn't get her alimony. She files contempt of courts on that. Who knows? So yes, it can bleed. And also the protective order turns into really chaotic, horrible stuff where it says, I don't want you anywhere near me. And then all of a sudden we see that she went near that person. It can turn into aggravated stalking, which is a felony, and you don't get bond. So it can, here in Georgia. So it can get complicated fast. I have a strong suspicion from what you just referenced that this is a very contentious divorce and the custody dispute is probably ongoing. I have not looked at the docket. You're making me want to log off from this and go look at the docket because I have a feeling there is some serious tea there with respect to contentious divorce proceedings. I have not looked, but I have a feeling there is.
And you have to imagine in a case like this, that's going to come out, right? Like if you're talking about a murder for hire plot, understanding their relationship, what led to the divorce, all of that, alleged extramarital affair, all that makes its way in there. Not for gossip, not for sensational spin, but it goes to the structure of this case. It goes to intent. It goes to those kinds of aspects. So I imagine we're going to probably learn more. Hopefully, if this happens in March, there's thorough reporting on it, but we'll continue to follow. We've been following here on Sidebar. Meg Strickler, thank you so much for coming on. Great seeing you.
Thank you so much.